fine. I hope you guys are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to discuss about how you can take 90 out of 90 in repeat sentences. So guys, it's PT speaking module we have started, and today we are doing repeat sentences. As you know that you can get 10 to 12 repeat sentences in the exam, okay? And this particular checks your speaking and listening skill. So it is very important if you want to get 7 each or 8 each to do this task properly, okay, so that you can get good score in speaking as well as in listening, because this task carries lot of weightage. In this video I'm going to discuss how you can do well in this special particular task in repeat sentences. See, why students do not do well in this area? Because they do not practice. They can't understand the accent of different speakers. So I would highly recommend to watch this video to get an idea that how you should practice and how you should try to attempt this task in the exam. So let's start. See, there are two methods. First, many students rely on memory-based method and many students rely on note-taking, initials. They take initials. But my personal view is you cannot do 3 things at a time. You are listening at the same time, then you have to write at the same time, and you just have to speak at the same time. You cannot do 3 things at a time. So I would highly suggest to you to use memory technique, and you just use visualization technique. So I just always say to my student, listen to understand, visualize, and just practice. These days you can find many sources, from which you can practice daily. For just half an hour, for 1 hour you can practice. In today's video I will do around 10 repeat sentences in front of you, so that you just take an idea that how you can practice and how you can do well in the exam. Okay, let's start. So I just start playing in this phone. If it works, let's check. And one more thing, you just need to pay attention that there are 2 bars. Okay, there are 2 bars. First, you just need to listen. Please don't start immediately when this bar comes to an end. Wait for your microphone to open. When your microphone opens, then only you need to start. I have seen students, they just keep their eyes closed in the exam and they listen and quickly start speaking. But no, you just have to wait till the bar comes to an end, your microphone opens, then you have to start. In this task, there is no beep. You just have to keep your eyes open, see, So let's start. I'll try to do 10 repeat sentences.
Students will not be given credits for assignments submitted after the due date.
Students will not be given credit for the assignments submitted after the due date. Okay. You can hear the answer as well.
Students will not be given credits for assignments submitted after the due date.
So here is the second sentence. Just pay attention to it.
Students will not be given credits for assignments submitted after the due date.
This we have done already, the second sentence.
A 100 years ago, Albert Einstein first published his theory of general relativity.
100 years ago, Albert Einstein published his theory of general relativity. That's it.
100 years ago, Albert Einstein first published his theory of general relativity.
So I just wanna mention here one thing. If you speak 100% 100% content accurate, like you speak your sentence accurately, word by word, then you get full score for listening as well as for speaking, definitely. Content score will go to listening. Speaking, if you are speaking fluently, if you are speaking with clear pronunciation, then definitely you will get good score in speaking. But if you speak 100% content right, so you will get full marks in listening. Obviously, if you are going for 8 each, definitely you should try to speak correct, accurately, the whole sentence. But if you are going for 65 each, so I would say you can like speak more than 50% accurate. More than 50%, still you are able to get good score. I'm not saying that you should not speak 100% accurate, but see, there are levels of students. Some students are definitely more intelligent than others, and if they cannot produce the 100% accurate result, then they should go for more than 50%. At least they will get good score. Okay, so my thing is like you should focus to attempt this task carefully. You should understand the requirement of this task. Let's go for the third one. Together, I just want to show that how you should speak. You shouldn't speak too fast or you shouldn't speak too slow. You just need to speak confidently, smoothly, effortlessly, and try to speak accurately as much as you can. Because as I told you, if you speak more than 50% accurate, still you are managed to get good score in listening and in speaking. So just pay attention how I'm doing, okay? Just listen, visualize, and just speak, okay? And speak only when your microphone opens. Why I'm saying again, because I have seen students who just close their eyes and just start speaking randomly. So this thing you shouldn't do that. Okay.
Arteries carry blood from heart to the other parts of the body.
Arteries carry blood from the heart to the other parts of the body. Okay.
Wherever we go and whatever we... Advertisements are all around us wherever we go and whatever we do.
Advertisements are all around us wherever we go and whatever we do. Why I'm counting 1, 2, 3? Because this is the thing you have to do. Like after listening, just try to visualize the thing and just speak fluently, okay?
Do.
Come on.
In consultation with your supervisor, your thesis is approved by the faculty committee.
In consultation with your supervisor, your thesis will be approved by the faculty committee.
Don't forget to do a library tour on the first week of your semester.
Don't forget to go on a library tour on the first week of your semester. I know I just messed up a little bit words here and there, but I don't like get nervous. I will speak fluently and confidently whatever I understood, okay? So this is the thing you should do. You might mess up with the few words, but it doesn't mean that you mess up whole sentence, okay? This way you cannot be able to get good score. You just mess up a little bit, then okay, you just move ahead.
The university departments carefully monitor publications by faculty.
The university department carefully monitor the publications by faculty.
Carefully monitor Answering this complex question with a simple yes or no is absolutely impossible.
Answering this complex question with simple yes and no is absolutely impossible.
His academic supervisor called in to see him last night.
His academic supervisor called in to see him tonight. Sorry, I messed up.
To receive the reimbursement, you must keep the original receipts.
To receive the reimbursement, you need to keep the original receipts. Okay, here I have done the 10 repeat sentences. I hope you observed how to do. You just need to go with the flow. You don't need to be nervous. Just stay confident. Whatever you understand, just speak with confidence. That's what I wanna tell you. That's my little advice to you. Or this, how it will come. You cannot improve overnight. You have to practice daily. 30 minutes you have to practice on YouTube or any app. Whatever you find useful, you can practice on there. And these days on YouTube you can find many good resources where they upload, the recent repeat sentences for example September repeat sentences, October. You just can practice on that and you can get good score. And if you are looking for any online coaching classes, we are providing here online coaching classes. You can contact me anytime soon. I just write my number here, 8968069876. So you can contact me for online coaching classes. So it's the value of running. You can avail this offer. So contact me and thank you so much.